Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we are in Three Mermaids in Pattaya. This is cafe and restaurant. Is fantastic place. So today we go there for drink and some food as well. So let's see, get inside. So this is main entrance to the place. It's very close to the sea. Basically we can say like the beach restaurant. So as you can see, this place is fantastic. Really, I haven't seen anywhere. Very unique seats. Most of the seat designed as a nest. Looks like nest. This is the beach, and this beach is so clean and so nice. There are a couple of pools in this floor. It is a little bit pricey, but it's worth it to come at least. So the way they design seats, as you can see, is so unique. These beaches look like they're private, belong to the restaurant. I didn't come that beach in Pattaya. So this is how they design seats for hostels. There is another pool in this floor. This looks like the toilet, yeah. It's this room toilet. Like this entrance to other floor. This is end of restaurant in this floor. So from this point you can have better view, and this is beach, and this is other part of beach. So there I can see a lot of sun lounge, so you can rent out for whole day. Maybe next time this is be another plan for video. So this is see. So how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this place designed for 7 people. Yeah, this is artificial. It's like the cable. Yeah, it's like the cable, man. Material as a plastic. I thought it's the natural, but it's not. It's artificial material they've been used in this place. And from here you can see floor below. This is different. This is fantastic place, honestly. It's amazing. They put AC, and this is very natural environment. It's beautiful. This is beauty of Pattaya. Most of people think people come to Pattaya only for one reason, as they say, bad boy go to Pattaya and good boy go to heaven. But Pattaya has too many places for visit, so it's not only for one reason. There are too many things to visit here.